welcome back. It's Christina again with the Artist Pod, and today we are going to talk about how to draw a ladybug. So, let's get arting. Alright, so here is the ladybug, and we are just going to hop right on in. So as I'm deciding these lines, the reason I'm doing it the way I'm doing it, one, it's easier to help make a nice smooth line by drawing in, right? So that's why I'm drawing in on the edges. But as I bring it down, I can bring down the straight versus the curved edge to kind of create a better seamless transition so that I'm not having a major conflict of lines. There can be small ones and it won't be noticeable. But major ones can be a problem, and so I try to bring it all down smoothly so that they can kind of connect at the bottom. Alright, so that is how you draw a ladybug. I hope that was helpful. In the floating nether next to me, I have other videos of art tutorials I have done, and I will see you all soon. Thank you so much. Take care.